Welcome to the third episode of Voice Your Vichar on Go and Vichar. Today I have with me a rather young person whom you all might have seen in various instances and various places protesting, fighting for the rights of Goans. It is Rama Kankonkar. Welcome Rama to Voice Your Vichar.
Thank you.
So Rama, as you have seen that you are a social activist, so social activities on sarko budo nahlo. Social activist antल्यान तूं पॉलिटिक्सान कितको येलो?
Actually, Popa Gela last time I was into social activism, but last time I have contested elections.
So social activism मागे गेले.
सोशल एक्टिविजम मागे राहिलं 2017चे इलेक्शन लढलो त्याच्यानंतर हांव हारलो आणि त्याच्यानंतर खूपशे जे इश्यूज आयले आणि त्याच्यानंतर इश्यूज हे एड्रेस करपाक लागलो देन डेफिनेटली पीपल वेन एवर यू टेक अप द इश्यूज इट हॅज बीन प्रोजेक्टेड एज अन सोशल एक्टिविस्ट टुवर्ड्स गोवा.
Okay, so you didn't proclaim yourself to be a social activist. लोकांन तुक social activist
Yeah, and then I accepted it like okay, if this work is an social activist work, then definitely it should be taken forward.
तुझ्या वाटेन तें पत जालें. Usually people are social activist first आणि मागीर politician. तूं politician पयलो आणि मागीर social activist.
Correct.
Okay. आतां एक सांग म्हाका तें जालें. Wherever Rama goes, तूं वयता तितले कडेन police involved आसपाकूच जाय. Okay. Do you have a very unromantic relationship with the Goa police?
I will say
फोटवांचेर चोयल्यार तुका ते दोन आहाय, तुका उबान वताय, तूं बासींतल्यान भायर बोड मारता आनी बोड मारता. Why is there so much of love towards you from Goa police?
we are romantic, unromantic nute. We are romantic with police, and I'm. It's like they are doing their duty, and we are doing our duty. And I will not blame police because I know how the system is being controlled by the politician. But yes, of course, whenever we put up any एक viral post जालो सुद्दां आनी protest करता जाल्यार GMC कडेन म्हाका खबर आसा की आमी जानूस गोन्साल्वीसाची बॉडी जी गायब जाल्ली पळय म्हळ्यार वचून गव्हर्मेंटान तेन्ना म्हाका खबर आसा की आमी 20 जाण आनी पुलिसांच्यो गाडयो आहा पळय त्यो 8 गाडयो पुलिसाच्यो बसीस. So it was more than this, and wherever we go, that police are more than us. So I don't know how government treats us as, but तुमकां कळटलें मागीर.
You had a smirk on your face. So पुलिसांनी 8 गाडी म्हळ्यार तुमगे 20 सा म्हळ्यार I think you were feeling more powerful than the government because तुमकां आडावपा normal people.
I think so. Government is thinking that we 20 people are more powerful than this. They think that we might create this. Still today we worked everything with non-violence. Okay, so म्हाका खबर ना कित्याक लागून तांकां भंय आसा कित्याची भंय आसा ती, बट दे एवरी टायम दे पुट अप द पुलीस एंड.
ओके. आनी जायते फावटी हांवें पळयलां पर्सनली की तूं केन्ना उलयता तेन्ना कितें जाता मोदें रेज जाता दिवपाक जाय आनी कितें करपाक जाय सारकें तो केसो पंच तो आय यू ट्रायन टू इन्स्टिगेट समबडी ओवर दे. तूं सांगता ना तूं सिल्वेर आहा तो आनी कोण पॉलिटिशियन आहा प्रमोद सावंत जावं कोण जावं तूं हांव एश करून उलयतलो आनी दे वील गेट इन्स्टिगेटेड ओ पीपल गेट इन्स्टिगेटेड आनी म्हणटा रामा सपोर्ट करया तें करया तेश करून जाता. दॅट इज युअर थिंकींग. वॉट इज युअर थिंकींग वेन यू जस्ट स्क्रीम तुगे लॅरेंजीस बा हर्ट जाय न्ही?
सी पयली गोश्ट म्हणटा ती बरे भशेन सांगलें आयकता जाल्यार बरी गजाल. आतां कितें बरे भशेन सांगल्यार आयकना जाल्यार मातसो आवाज जो काडून तर आयकता जाल्यार वेल एंड गूड. सो आय फील दॅट वॉट एवर वर्क हॅज बीन डन by the government is by that tone only. So I use that tone when the government म्हाका मेन म्हणटा तें सोल्युशन जाय. सो बेजिकली बरे भशेन सोल्युशन जाता जाल्यार हांव बरे भशेन उलोवपाक रेडी आसा. जर तोच टोन त्या हितून टोनान तांकां आतां समजता जाल्यार त्याच टोनान उलयचें पडलें न्ही. सो ताका लागून हांव वॉट एवर वे सी आय हॅव म्हळ्यार खुबश्यो गोश्टी आहा पळय ती गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटीज आहा वेर एवर द पीपल वेर गूड एंड दे वेर कॉपरेटीव आय वर्कड इन देअर वे ऑफ लायक बरे भशेन काम करून घेतलेलें आहा. जे भशेन बरे भशेन काम करूंक जायना जाल्यार मागीर तो टोन यूज करचो पडटा.
ओके. आतां वेन द मरिना प्रोजेक्ट केम अप यू वेंट ऑन द स्टेज एंड तुवें विचारलें आमकां डोनेशन जाय बट डोनेशन नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी गोंयकार सारके गिरेस्त बट इन टायम एंड विथ एनर्जी येयल्लो लोक मुखार.
सो वेरियस मोमेंट जे जाले पळय विथ नॉट विथ मनी it was directly with time, talent and knowledge. So I also requested the people of Goa that we require such kind of things, and people have addressed. आता तुम्ही मुद्दाम पळय खंय आपयले जाल्यार फोन करून आपयले जाल्यार people are there gathering over there. So they are giving their time. Whoever has said time, I have my group. Whoever have said they are going to just give time, they are giving time. Knowledge जे आसा पळय तो knowledge दिता, and talent आहा पळय ते talent दिता. So basically this is what exactly it is required to change Goa, what I feel so.
So when you contested in 2017, you were a AAP candidate,
Yeah.
right? You contested over there, you lost.
Yeah.
But soon after that, you resigned from the party, saying that the party has not refunded you and all those things, and you put up a public on your Facebook and other places that to get a refund मेळना मग. So your loyalty towards the party was just for that refund, or why didn't you continue and say, okay, refund केन्ना येतलो तो येतलो, I'm in service of people, लोकां खातीर आसा, आप party, तो हे सारके घोटाळ्ळे. Why did you suddenly made public and leave? Why did you have conversations with them and say, okay, let's do something for the party, मुखार व्हरया. पूण तूं भायर येयलो आनी सांगलें, okay, पयशे दिले मुगेले, I'm not reimbursed for my work, I'm leaving.
2017 इलेक्शन्स कंटेस्ट केल्या उपरांत ते 2019 म्हळ्यार 2 वर्सां जालीं. एक्झॅक्टली आफ्टर 2 years कंटिन्युअस फॉलोअप्स आशिल्ली चालू, लिडरांक मेळप चालू आशिल्लें. 2019 हांवें सोडलां, 2017 इमिजिएटली सोडून ना. I waited, but I was not active in the party. But I was saying that this is what is required. You promised one thing, and you are not doing that according to the promise. Number one is Aam Aadmi Party was being told that कोई भी आके MLA बन सकता है, depending upon the dedication. They didn't focus like जिसके पास पैसा भी नहीं है वो MLA बन चुका है. Okay. So that's what, like, you know, I thought that it is a good platform where according to the talent, dedications and everything, worked for 5 years before 2017, worked for 5 years continuously, and that has given the opportunity to contest elections. But they have also promised the fund which we, because माझ्याकडे पैसे नाशिल्ले बाबा, माझ्याकडे कांयच नाशिल्लें इनफॅक्ट, लायक यू नो टील 5 वर्सां जो डेडिकेशन केल्लें तेणें मागीर जॉबूय सोडलो, सगळें सोडलें, आनी डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स वन गोल इज हाव टू सेव गोवा बाय थ्रू आम आदमी पार्टी. पण जे प्रॉमिसीस केल्ले पेमेंटाचे, इट्स नॉट फॉर मी, इट्स अबाउट दी एक्सपेंडिचर डन फॉर द कॅम्पेन एवरीथिंग, दॅट वॉज नॉट डन अँड टील इट इज नॉट डन. ओके. सो वॉट आय फील, आय वेटेड, फॉलोअप जाली, सगळें जालें, आनी मागीर ताजे नंतर मागीर तेंच्यांनी इग्नोरन्स केलें. Okay, I have met all the leaders, including Pankaj Gupta, who was. Then I felt that, like, you know, if they are not ready to change, and 938 volunteers across Goa, je Aam Aadmi Party naashille, and dedicated votes. I have a respect, till today I have a respect for the volunteers, because without money they have worked done over there. पण ज्यो गोष्टी जायना ताच्या नंतर लोक तुका येवन फॉलोअप करपाक लागले, लोक तुजे कडेन विचारपाक लागले, वॉलंटियर्स तुजे कडेन विचारपाक लागले. देन वेन द थिंग्स आर नॉट वर्किंग, देन आय स्ट्रॉंगली फेल्ट दॅट इट इज स्टॉपिंग मी फ्रॉम माय वर्क वॉट आय एम सपोज टू डू. म्हणल्यार एक्टिविजम नाजाल्यार इश्यूज आहा ते इफेक्ट जाता. सो म्हाजें नातें मातशें पयस दवरलें, तांकां समजपाक तें हांवें केल्लें. It's not that, like, you know, I still like तांकां convince करपाक try केलें, but they were ignorant about it. So I didn't criticize them. I said, like, I have to move out, okay, and do my work, whatever need to be done, and that's what I am doing right now, in fact.
ओके. आतां येतलें तें इलेक्शना रामा काणकोडकर इंडिपेंडंट आसतलो वो कोणा जॉइन जातलो?
See, I have made very clearly that म्हजो independently काम चालू आसा. Waiting for political parties, because as of now what I am seeing is too many oppositions can make BJP win. So I would like to think in a political side also, how to defeat BJP, number one. Second, number two is, if there is a platform or political parties which is trying to give a change, okay, then I might think about joining a political party. Not BJP, not Goa Forward, or who formed the government and who was a part of destruction to the government. But if there is a political party which is giving a change, आणि मागीर लोकां कडेन म्हजे जे सपोर्टर्स आसा, I need to sit with them. I cannot just take my overnight decision and jump into the political party or that. So there are discussion which is happening. I'm going and meeting people and all. I'm understanding their point of view. There are people who says that, Rama, we are fed up, we want you to contest on independent. Then we need to think about the funding part. Okay. Then there are certain people who wants me to contest on the Congress candidature. Okay, certain section. So I am trying to bring all the force together to defeat BJP, and that's basically a calculative game where how we need to bring all type of people together to defeat BJP, and that will take little bit of time.
In all these instances, tagline म्हणटी the like-minded people. हुंची political parties जावं म्हणटा like-minded people. So what is this like-minded people? कितें?
लायक मायंडेड सोरांचो लायक मायंडेड न्हू. थोडे जाण लायक मायंडेड म्हणटा की आमी जे पयलीं आमकां भायर मारलेले आहा पळय ते आतां लायक मायंडेड इज वॉट?
Exactly,
According
that's what
to
I'm trying
like
to figure out.
minded
Yeah.
is like minded for Goa. Like minded to defeat BJP न्हू. BJP हा नाजाल्यार आनी कोण करप दुसरे कोण येयले पॉलिटिकल पार्टी लायक मायंडेड फॉर गोवा. लायक मायंडेड फॉर गोवा ते म्हणूंक शकता ज्यांच्यांनी येवन हांगासर इलिगल प्रोजेक्ट पास केल्ले, लँड कन्वर्जन केल्लें, BJPक तेकोन रावन ते लायक मायंडेड म्हणूंक शकता. फॉर्मेलीन हाडून घातलेले ते लायक मायंडेड म्हणूंक शकता. मागीर इतले 16B पास केली ते लायक मायंडेड म्हणूंक शकता. PDA हाडून आमचेर घातली तांचर लायक डिस्ट्रक्शन वूड हॅव हॅपन अक्रॉस दी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी एंड तिसवाडी तालुका. आर दोज लायक मायंडेड? यू हॅव गॉट वन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी, यू हॅव ग्रॅब्ड दॅट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू कन्वर्ट इन टू अ बिजनेस. सो ते लायक मायंडेडाचे उलयना हांव. लायक मायंडेडाचे उलयता बेजिकली जे गोंया खातीर काम करूंक करता, जे गोंया सिन्सियरली काम करूंक सोदता आनी चेंजीस हाडूंक सोदता तांकां म्हणूंक सोदता हांव थंयसर.
Okay, and if this whole thing, what you said, आतां उलयलें तेच प्रमाणे, if defeating BJP is the primary criteria, and तेक लागून तुगे कॅन्डिडेचेर विड्रॉ करूंक पडलो, तूं कोतलो?
Defeating BJP is a primary criteria.
Yeah.
I have given the opportunity for many of the candidatures
Yeah.
की तुम्ही लीड करा, आमी आहा एक्टिविस्ट तुमकां सपोर्ट करपाक. सो 4.5 वर्सां टायम आशिल्लो दिवपाक. लास्ट मोमेंटाक जेन्ना तूं विड्रॉ कर म्हणून सांगता, इट्स लायक यू प्रिपेर फॉर युअर बॅटल and then you say that ना आता आमी वचया ना, फिल्डार वचूया नाका. लायक वेन एवर यू प्रिपेर एन एग्जाम एंड यू आर सेइंग that you should not answer your examination. People of Sant Andre as well as Goa have already recognized the work which has been done. So today it is a time to give an examination. So I am trying to bring all the people together and I will be definitely successful in this.
At various junctions, तू खंय ना खंय मार पडटा, तुगे गाडयो उज लागता आनी कितें जाता. सो वॉट इज दॅट ड्रायव्हिंग फोर्स दॅट किप्स यू अलायव टू गो फॉरवर्ड? तुका कितें दिसता? यू शूड गो फॉरवर्ड इन दीस ऑर यू शूड गो बिहायंड, ऑर वॉट इज योर परसेप्शन?
Hope, a change a dream for Goa, which keeps me alive and which keeps me driving the force. That if you are into a battle, you cannot think about like आपण फाटी पळयतलो आनी फाटी सरतलो. Every youth should set an example. आज जरी तर हांव हे जे इन्सिडंट 14 केसीस पडल्या उपरांत मागीर नाजाल्यार गाडयो जळयल्या उपरांत तर हांव फाटी सरत न्ही, देर आर 100 or thousands of people who is looking at you. If I step back, then they will not have that courage to come in front. So हो एक step, every decision when we make up is basically, and not only me, but there are so many faces. Every decisions when you make, there are people who follow you. So I am going to make sure that आमी फाटी सरपाचें ना आनी आमी मुखार वयतले आनी 110% that we are going to make a mark in coming days or coming years.
Coming days, coming years, or the coming election?
Coming years.
So you're not focused on the election. The कितें जावं result? You will be working continuously for the people.
Yeah, exactly. So see, it's basically we have not just come. Last election जालें, 5 वर्सांनी एकदा इलेक्शन जाता. आतां मातशी चड जाता कित्याक लागून दळमळ चालू आसता न्हू थंयसर, हो हांगासर धांवता तो हांगासर धांवता. सो 5 वर्सांनी एकदा इलेक्शन जाता, पूण तुका 5 वर्सां नंतर तूं कितें करता तें मेन इम्पॉर्टंट आहा. टुडे कॉन्फिडेंटली सांगता 4.5 वर्सां कितें केलां पळय ताजे प्रमाणे हांव लोकां कडल्यान एक्सपेक्टेशन रिजल्ट्स एक्सपेक्ट करता. सो इट्स नॉट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, it's a long battle, it's not just overnight, but sometimes I might take a break for some sort of personal issues or whatever it is, but the journey will carry forward.
ओके. आतां राखणो शब्द आयकलेलो आसता तुवें. राखणो गांवां राखता, पूण रिलिजियसली कल्चरली इट्स दे, आनी तुवें आपूण राखणदार म्हणटा. सो आर यू अ सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम्ड राखणदार ऑफ गोवा, ऑफ सांत आंद्रे, ऑफ वॉट इज इट?
पयली गोश्ट म्हणटा ती व्हेरी नायसली पुट अप एंड अ गूड क्वेश्चन. आमकां राखणदार जे आसा पळय पयलीं म्हणटाले की राखणदार आसताले प्रत्येक शिमेचेर आनी ते कितें करताले ते प्रोटेक्ट करताले अशें आमकां पयलींच्यान आमकां स्टोरी सांगिल्ली आसा आनी कोणूय जर शेणलो जाल्यार ताका वाटेर हाडून पायताले अशें आमकां जाणटेनी सांगिल्लें आसा. गोंयांत सरकार डायरेक्शनलेस जाल्लें आसा आनी हेका डायरेक्शन हाडपा खातीर एक नांव प्रपोज जालें आनी एक ग्रूप जालो 2019 आमी चिंत्ताले की बाबा एक गोंयचे राखणदार म्हणून केलें जाल्यार बिकॉज गोवा इज डायरेक्शनल वी रिक्वायर डायरेक्शन आनी हू वील गीव एज डायरेक्शन आर राखणदार वील गीव एज डायरेक्शन. सो बेजिकली हें नांव आयलें आनी ताजे नंतर आमी एक ग्रूप फॉर्म केलो वी हॅव टेकन अप सो मेनी इश्यूज आनी देन लायक यू नो एवरी वन हू एवर इज अ प्रोटेक्टर वील बिकम अ राखणदार. बट राखणदार word which is there is a big word,
very big,
and I will say that till today though there are गोंयच्या राखणदाराच्या नंतर मागीर प्रत्येक जाण एक व्हॉलंटियर मनशाक एक राखणदार म्हणटाले आनी ते एका एक प्राऊड फील जातालें म्हणल्यार एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सो एक 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 नांव जें आसा पळय एक पावरफूल मिनींग आसा ओके आनी त्या पावरफूल मिनींगेक एज वेल एज पावरफूल स्ट्रॉंग जे वर्ड आसा पळय इट कीप्स अस होल्ड दॅट यू कॅन नॉट डू रॉंग. सो ताका लागून
सो ते उतरान इट्स अ गायडींग फोर्स
इट्स अ गायडींग फोर्स
टू गेट इन टू द सीट ऑफ द असेंब्ली. विल गेट वन सीट ओवर देर. तूं एकलो आसा इंडिपेंडंट आनी सगळे दुसरे येयले तेन्ना कितें हांव विल यू
म्हाका ओपोजिशनूच निवडून हाडा.
ऑपोजिशन हाडल्या
I want to be more, I want to be into opposition than the ruling.
ओके सो यू वॉन्ट टू बी इन द ऑपोजिशन.
I want to be into opposition because opposition can play a role which none of other person can play.
So right now the opposition which was there for the last 4.5 years have not played any
Where is the
role.
opposition left right now? And where the opposition is happening right now?
The united opposition.
दादान गेले मरे थंयसर ते जे आसलेले opposition
ते बारीकशें कितें उरलें तें ऑपोजिशन. सी ऑपोजिशन इफ रामा काणकोणकर एकलो उलयतलो ऑपोजिशना पुरो मोठा
opposition हांव कितें म्हणटा
कलेक्टिव्ह ऑपोजिशन ऑर सिंगल ऑपोजिशन.
opposition केन्ना जेन्ना तुका भायर मारता तेन्ना तूं opposition जाता तशें न्हू.
हां
जेन्ना तुमकां ओपोजिशन म्हणून निवडून हाडले आनी ताज्या नंतर तुमी म्हणटा आमी बीजेपी केन्ना जॉइन जावपा ना म्हणून बीजेपीक वचून तुमी गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करता थोडे जाण आनी ताज्या नंतर मागीर तुमकां भायर काडल्या उपरांत तुमी ओपोजिशन जाता आनी तुमी ती मागीर ड्रामा करता. इट इज नॉट दॅट. स्टे इन ओपोजिशन थ्रू आउट.
In this, when you're saying this, are you referring to particular party, particular person?
Yeah, there are parties.
Will you name them?
There are parties. Goa Forward have done it. Independent candidate like Rohan Kauti have done it. You said that I'm not going to join BJP. Why did you join BJP then? You could have remained in opposition. Opposition would have played a very important role. You are required in opposition.
आता काँग्रेस पार्टी आणि तुगे मेंटॅलिटी मॅच जाली ओके आनी काँग्रेस अप्रोचीस यू आनी यू जॉइन द पार्टी आनी न्यूजां येयला काल पयर की रोहन कावटे हे जॉइन्ड द इंडियन नॅशनल काँग्रेस and he also said in a hint that he gave, if you understand through the between the sentences and lines, if you try to read, बाळदेजूय तांचे वांगडा आहा. So is this hinting to maybe or maybe not that Michael Lobo is joining Congress?
Won't it be the same scenario where you're clubbing with the old guys with a new face? Because now you're already in the party.
दोन वीक पयलीं तुमकां खबर आसतलें की कोण TMCन जॉइन जाता म्हणटालो. TMCन जॉइन जाले, कोण मर्ज जाता म्हणटालो, कोण अलायन्स जाता म्हणटालो. कांय गोश्टी चालूच आसतल्यो त्यो पॉलिटिकल सिनारियोच्यो. लेट द टायम कम and then the decision will be taken place.
If this situation happens, situation जाले, assume.
See that all are the strategists. How are you going to make sure? See, there are certain things which you will be थोड्यो गोश्टी आसा पळय त्यो दवरप आसता आनी लास्ट मोमेंटाक तुवें कार्ड तुजी प्ले करप आसता.
आतां लास्ट मिनट कितें करपाक जाय ना गरका ना गाटका जावपा ना.
ना कांय ना. सी आय हॅव ऑलरेडी प्लेस माय ग्राउंड्स. म्हाजे ग्राउंड्स ऑलरेडी आसा आनी इट्स नॉट दॅट एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कंटेस्ट करपाक. कंटेस्टींग इज डेफिनेटली बीन आय हॅव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड माय कॅम्पेन 4.5 years back. So campaign is what? Basically, if you go to see, a lot of people think that campaign is basically putting up banner as a social worker. And if you find every junction, you will get new mushrooms coming up with the social worker for the constituency. Preparation of the constituency, if you are trying to contest, it's not just overnight. Bosong sotta, maje ye vision ha. There is a preparation, there is a work which should be done. To simultaneously 5 वर्सां काम चालू आसपाक जाय तुजें. I have a full confidence that even if I contest on independent, people will have already recognized the work and definitely the work.
Ata, in the same lines, now you said that you won't join any party that has supported BJP before. So if AAP calls you back, will you go back after speaking so much against the party? Or are they going to call you back?
I have not, see, party is a name. I have spoken against the incidents which has been taken place. So, जे कितें wrong हा ते wrong. ती party मागीर खंयची आसूं.
So this means तूं ready आसा join जावपाक.
See, join जावपाचें ना जावपाचें ते लोकांचेरूच decision आहा. It is not only one decision. Rama Kankonkar alone will not take the decision for the constituency of Sant-Andrei. It cannot happen that way. So basically, there are a lot of other people who will, the influential people, the people who are my followers, the people who are working for me, I mean the people who are activists, not into politics. There are different people who I need to sit down, take their conversation. There is a time right now. What is more important is going and understanding their grassroots issues, more connected to the people. During the Goa Corona warrior, time, like,
In the pandemic time?
across the political party lines, people have come together to save. Individual people are good. मतलब लोक जे थोडे बरे आसा, थोडे जे हांव सगळ्यांचे उलयना तुका, थोडे जे बरे आसा ते बरे आसा. You cannot deny that. And it is there in various party. And I have a respect for whatever work has been done by certain people. I will not take the party image, but certain people who have done work, it is done work. Okay, so yeah, accepted asa. So I will say that things are open, but for a change, for a betterment of Goa, मुझे ये broad asa.
Okay, now if you see Rama Kankonkar, a very young guy, you, like me, I always want to know, you go out, you have an approach like आमचो RG, Manoj Parab. What are your views about your old friend, if I can say old friend?
What?
Manoj Parab. You're smiling, you're missing him out.
My views are same. See, I am here for betterment of Goa. Any person contribution towards betterment of Goa definitely will be good for all of us.
Okay, so you're that person who say, okay, well, it's for Goans.
For Goans, it is more. For Goans, it should be togetherness. It should be united force which will throw down BJP, and BJP have to be finished off from Goa. And that is the thing which everyone have to think together.
And you all were very good friends earlier. You all were in AAP together. Even after that, you all were together. सारके घरांतू friends म्हणपाक ते भाशेन. Okay. आतां मोदें कितें जालें? Why? What has gone wrong over there? Because why are you not thinking of joining RG, or is RG also in the pipeline for you?
See, what has gone wrong? Tell me one.
That's what I'm asking you. What has gone wrong?
What has gone wrong? I'm asking you. I see.
See, I don't know what you were sharing with Manoj.
So how did you come across this topic?
It's out in the media.
Who have come? Whether I have said anything or who have said anything?
I will send you the video, okay? And you can view it for yourself.
So it is from his side, right?
Yeah, it is from the party side.
Which
RG.
party side? So it is from their side. So you should question them more than me.
No, but you are a part of. See, if there are two people, like how you're having a romantic relationship with the police. आता आम कोणा अरे कितें जालें रे तेगेलें आतां पुलिसांक वयता जाताला तूं कडेन वयतलो two side views.
See,
So what is your stake? Because some friends.
मुझे everything like opinion जी आसता पळय. I always put up my opinion very straightforward. Okay, and my opinions are very clear.
Okay.
I will fight elections not on the basis of divisive politics, not on the basis of hate politics, and which has been already, you might have removed everything, माझे फाटले तुम्ही videos पळया कितें. It is not on the basis of the hate politics, it is basis of the love, it is basis of the issues. जर तो issue आसा जाल्यार ते issues address केल्ले आसा. Hate politics, I am not getting into that kind of this.
So in this you're trying to say that RG has hate politics?
Hate politics in the sense any hate against any political, any caste base or migrants or any kind of thing, it's a hate politics. So which BJP is having a hate politics against Muslims, and they won the elections on the basis of anything against the hate politics of any individual, then definitely it is, any community, then it is not going to be taken.
But if you go to see in Goa, you'll see that the peace-loving state, and even at the pan-India level, a lot of Muslims are part of BJP. What do you have to say about that?
lot of Muslims are part of BJP or certain people are a part of BJP. You need to just find it out, because what I've seen, all this hatred politics, all these hatred videos which has been going on, even when last one of their leader who have come over there, they said like, if you eat a beef then you will be hanged. So this kind of hate, this is basically a hate politics which is going on. There are certain leaders which has been given target to create a hate politics in the society.
Okay. आता रामा ओकित कोदा. I will ask you politicians.
Yeah.
I'll just take their names.
Yeah.
Okay. You tell me what is the first word, first sentence that comes to your mind. Digambar Kamath.
Not a same face.
Not a CM face. Okay. Vijay Sardesai.
Anytime he can ditch.
Elvis Combs.
Clean, matured politician.
Okay. Pramod Sawant.
Feku.
Okay. Manoj Parab.
Need a maturity.
So you're saying Manoj Parab doesn't have the required maturity to...
Still in political maturity have to grow. Which people will be expecting, and he can be a very good youth leader too also.
So you're saying maturity and he will be a very good youth leader.
Absolutely.
आमचो आजचो करंट CM प्रमोद सावंत तेज बद्दल तो मुळे कितें पयलें एनीथिंग पॉजिटिव अबाउट हिम दॅट यू वॉन्ट टू से
एक पॉझिटिव्ह काम केलें तें जो गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी अलायन्स आशिल्लें ताका तेणी भायर मारलो पावरांतल्यान काडलो पळय दॅट इज द ओन्ली बेस्ट थिंग वॉट ही हॅव डन टील टुडे बिकॉज इट वूड हॅव डॅमेज्ड मोर Goa, in fact, what I feel so.
Okay, that's your thought about it.
That's what I'm thinking. That is the only best thing what.
So Goa Forward was removed out of BJP by Pramod Sawant.
Of course, that's what it was removed from.
Okay. पूण तेणी तेंगे रुलींग काळान जायते इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेव्हलपमेंट केले तेजे कित सांगपा सोदता तो
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाकूच जाय. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक जाय आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट जाता पळय तेन्ना हेंय बीन कन्सिडरेशन करपाक जाय की बाबा तो रोड आहा पळय फक्त एका वर्साक ना 2 वर्साक लागून बांदिना. अटल सेतू जो आहा पळय परत रिन्युवेशनाक गेल्लो आहा 100 दिसांनी 100 डेज आतां रिन्युवेशन चालू आहा. सो ह्यो गोश्टी आतां कोणाचो पयसो म्हळ्यार तुका एक 2 वर्सां जावंक ना परत रिन्युवेशन चालू आसा. सो आय फील दॅट वेन एवर द डेव्हलपमेंट इज हॅपनिंग इट इज आवर टॅक्स मनी. वी शूड नॉट वेस्ट दॅट टॅक्स मनी एंड वेर एवर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड ओके दॅट नीड टू बी आमी प्रायोरिटायझेशन करपाची गरज. हायवे तूं पयलीं फोकस करतलो काय जे लोकांचे रोड कनेक्टिविटी आहा लायवलीहूड तेंचे लायफ वचूंक शकता एम्बुलन्स पावना म्हणून तेंचो ते फोकस करतलो. माय प्रायोरिटी वील बी दॅट फर्स्ट. व्हडले व्हडले हायवेज बांदले सर्वीस रोड खंय आहा थोड्या कडेन सर्वीस रोडूच ना मागीर ते ट्रॅफिक जॅम जातलोच न्हू. सो सगळ्यो गोश्टीक सोल्युशन आसता ते सोल्युशन काडून बाकीचे डेव्हलपमेंट करप जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता इट कूड हॅपन इन अ गूड वे.
ओके रामा आतां तुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आतां जायत लोक तुका चोयता आसतलो तुगे विजन कितें हें लोकां खातीर हो हे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लागून.
सी ह्या लोकांक पयलीं म्हणटा तें जरी तर तूं कितें विजन आसा म्हणून सांगतालो जाल्यार इट कॅनॉट बी पुट अप ऑन वन पेपर ऑर वन स्टेटमेंट. वी हॅव 7,000 क्लोज टू 6,700 हाऊसेस. We have around 37 polling stations, 7 village panchayats and 10 revenue villages, and which makes one constituency. Okay. So in this we have 128 wades, small wade म्हणतात. So ह्या सगळ्या वाड्यांचेर different issues आहा, problems आसा. Okay, the basics issue आसा थोडे critical issues आसा, थोडे divisive issues आसा. आनी हे जर सॉर्ट आउट करतलो जाल्यार तुका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनान तुका सिस्टमान येवचो पडटलो पयली गोश्ट. आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जी आसा पळय ती कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी अशी आसा की शेतां जी आसा मानश्यो ज्यो आसा पळय खूब आसा आनी ह्या शेतां मानश्यो ज्यो आमच्यो ट्रेडिशनल ऑक्युपेशन्स आहा पळय हें खंय तरी कमी जाल्लें आसा आनी हें परत रिवायव करपाक बांद मोडलेले आसा सगळे मोडलेले आसा. सो म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यो ज्यो रिवायव ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इज द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी वॉट आय एम ट्रायंग टू टेक ऑन. बारीक धंदो ओपन करप मानश्यो आसा शेत आसा सगळें आसा वी कॅन डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ओवर दे. सेकंड थिंग्स आमचे कितलेशे भुरगे आहा पळय टॅलंटेड आतां म्हणटा कोण म्हणल्यार IT पार्क फ्रीलान्सिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स घेवपाक शकता तूं. एक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बारीक हब इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर IT सेक्टराक सर्व करपाक शकता. आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन खुबशे IT शिकिल्ले भुरगे आसा ऑलरेडी. सो काही गोष्टी आसा डिफरंट वॉट एवर फर्स्ट यू नीड टू हॅव दी रिसोर्सीस वॉट रिसोर्सीस मॅन पॉवर रिसोर्सीस जे आसा पळय तेंचे कसले आसा मॅन पॉवर कसले अवेलेबल आसा स्कील कसले आसा ह्यो आयडेंटिफाय करपाची गरज आसा ताजे नंतर आमकां प्रपोजल घालपाचो गरज आसा प्लॅन म्हळ्यार खंयची इंडस्ट्री येवपाक शकता कितें हाडपाक शकता आमी खंय आमचो फोकस चड आसूंक शकता कितें खंयचे शिकलेले भुरगे आसा सो काही गोष्टी इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट विलेज वायज प्लॅनिंग तर केलें आमी जाल्यार काही गोष्टी चेंजीस जावपाची गरज आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री वीच इज गोइंग टू बी स्क्रूइंग अप दी पोल्युशन बट नॉन पॉल्युटेड कंपनीज कॅन कम इन फॅक्ट.
What is your, as this is a youth-centric channel, what are your views for the youth of your constituency? तूं तांकां कितको सपोर्ट करतलो?
सगळ्यांत पयलीं म्हणटा तें आमी युथाक हांव मेसेज दिवंक सोदतां. एक गोश्ट म्हणटा ती आमी सदांच पॉलिटिक्स म्हणटा तें न्हय आमकां पॉलिटिक्सान येवपाक नाका म्हणटा आमी. वी एवरी सिंगल टायम वी आर कनेक्टेड टुवर्ड पॉलिटिक्स. एवरीथींग वॉट एवर वी आर गेटींग एंड वॉट एवर वी आर सीईंग इज अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. People have to come into the core politics and they have to come. Youth have to contest elections. They have to enter the core politics. And ज्या पर्यंत ह्यो गोष्टी जायना त्या पर्यंत कांय चेंजीस जावपाक शकना. Second most importantly is every time all the political parties says that आमी युथाक मुखार काडपाक जाय मुखार म्हळ्यार कशें काडपाक जाय मुखार म्हळ्यार व्हॉलंटियर्स जावन मुखार काडपाक जाय काय तांकां लिडर तयार करपाक जाय. सिंपल गोश्ट आसा एक खंयचो तरी लिडर तयार जातलो जाल्यार 10 वर्सांचो टायम लागता. कोणूय अकस्मात बॉर्न लिडर म्हणटा पळय आनी हे म्हणटा पळय त्यो गोश्टी जायना. इन पॉलिटिक्स यू रिक्वायर टायम यू हॅव टू कम आउट ओपनली इश्यूज घे हे घे लोकांक पाव हे कर एंड देन स्लोली पीपल स्टार्ट रिकॉग्नायझींग युअर वर्क. एंड till then you from if you start at 20-25 you become 35 till then your youth age is almost getting over. And then once you do not that's what I request the political parties try to start building up your grassroot in very well advance. म्हळ्यार 25 वर्सांचेर 20 वर्सांचेर भुरग्यांनी पॉलिटिकल सिनारियोज येवपाक जाय. पॉलिटिक्सान 25 वर्सांचेर म्हळ्यार एक पंचायत मेंबरांक प्रमोट करपाक जाय. सो ह्या स्लोली कित्याक ह्यो गोश्टी जालेल्यो ना थोडे एरियेन जाल्ले आसा. आनी खंयचे यूथ प्रमोट जाता ज्यांचे बापूय पॉलिटिशियन आहा तेंचेच. तूं म्हाका आयच्या एसेंब्लीन सांग खंयचो एक इंडिविज्युअल यूथ जो आहा यूथ बिलो 35 years तो MLA जाल्लो आहा विदाउट सपोर्ट ऑफ हीज फादर ऑर हुएवर इट इज. कोण आसा
एकलो आसा पूण द क्रायटेरिया दॅट फॉल्स बिलो 35.
पूण
then again with political.
हय पूण तो कोण पॉलिटिकलूच आसतलो.
सो ती वेव क्रिएट जावपा जाय. ती
करेक्ट. आनी ती वेव आतां जाता क्रिएट. ती वेव आतां जाता क्रिएट आनी आय एम हॅपी that many of the youth right now coming into politics which is going to help Goa. And for me it's very clear I am more focused on the individual than the political party. Okay, मनीस बरे पावपाक जाय assembly. We require both. We require ruling also and opposition also in the assembly. थोडे लोकांक दिसता की फक्त आमकां ruling जाय. Opposition is also required.
Okay, with this I think we spoke to Rama Kankonkar today and he gave us the insight of various issues that are happening in his constituency in Goa and about various other things. Another thing is we don't know which party he is going to contest in. He has still kept his doors, arms, heart open. I hope it's open to Manoj as well. Yeah, because a lot of issues were very close to his, like politics and Soglan involves open the youth and 90% he says that politics is running our life. Same views were yours. So you all have
everything betterment for Goa
to that.
And to defeat BJP in Goa is welcome.
Okay, so that was his ending statement. So it was nice talking to you, Rama. I wish you all the very best. With that, I'll take your leave. Take care. Thank you.